Space for this meeting and for the Energy Independence Program Office. I am Liz Yager. I run the daily operations of the Energy Independence Program Office, and I'm also the point person with the county's connection between Pacific Gas and Electric Company and our Sonoma County Energy Watch program. And I'll try to give you information about both of those in the next few minutes so that you can be aware of what some of the opportunities are for rebates, initiatives, and then, of course, the AB 811 financing that the county has opened. We opened our doors March 25th, so I'll have some updates for you on where we stand right now in the program. AB 811, we started, as I said, March 25th. The County Board of Supervisors decided in a fairly quick time frame, about 6 weeks, to put this program together for Sonoma County, including all municipalities. All the cities are on board and the counties. And our goals for this program are to promote energy efficiency to reduce our greenhouse gas emissions. Sonoma County has some very ambitious goals as far as greenhouse gas emissions to match up with the state's goals and helping to align with AB 32. We definitely want to provide, it's a pretty unique financing mechanism. People can finance their energy efficiency and water improvement and renewable projects through the property tax system. And that's what the Assembly Bill 811 allows for, is for us to provide financing using the money. We started with $100 million in this county program, and those proceeds are paid back through the property owner's property taxes. Excuse me. And then, of course, kind of not well advertised benefit is this is a local, helps our local economy. It stimulates business. It helps get projects going and provides opportunities for jobs and small businesses and large businesses locally in Sonoma County. So we can't send our homes and buildings out overseas to be retrofitted and returned to us. So we're doing all that work here in Sonoma County. Our goal in the program is to always advertise and ask for people to reduce before they produce. AB 811 and other parts of California have been solar-only programs. In Berkeley and in Palm Desert, they were solely solar. Ours includes water conservation and energy efficiency. And as far as renewables go, we actually have our first wind turbine project that's been recently approved. In the hopes of actually reducing first, we have requirements in the commercial properties that PG&E do an energy evaluation, or if you're in Healdsburg, the utility there, do an energy evaluation, not a full-blown commercial audit, which is always an option for a large commercial facility. We do encourage residents, owners, property owners to do the online self-analyzer tool at a minimum, and we strongly recommend a building performance audit. So we really want property owners to know the full scope of what their options are as far as decreasing their energy consumption, and to be able to make cost-effective, educated choices about what those options are to decrease the energy in Sonoma County. The other part of actually preparing a customer of yours, how many people are contractors in the room? How many people are property owners curious about the process and project? Okay. So as a property owner or as a contractor, another thing that is happening in Sonoma County is we are a new partner with PG&E. It's called Sonoma County Energy Watch. And through that program, we have the opportunity to provide rebates and incentives, some at no cost to the property owner, to actually decrease energy use. The partners that we work with can provide an energy survey. We have some measures that we can do for commercial applications, business applications that are lighting retrofits that are at no cost to the property owner, and other things as far as recommissioning and retrofits. A key step in this, if you're planning to do an efficiency upgrade in your building as a contractor or a property owner, is to make sure your PG&E account representative is aware that you're going down this path, so we get everybody on the same page, so we don't have to come back to your project 2 or 3 times to make sure we have everyone included. We want to hit a location once, hit it hard, get everything done, and make it a nice comprehensive package. With the Energy Watch program, these are just a few of the examples of some of the things that can happen. And we are trying to also coordinate in the residential role with some of the grant programs that are happening with local workforce investment board and other nonprofits that are working on residents for weatherization and other opportunities. For commercial properties, we have the lighting, occupancy sensors, vendor control, HVAC tune-ups, a lot of opportunities in local businesses to decrease the footprint. So we hope that here at the Energy Office we can kind of be your one-stop shop, and we're working on making ourselves available and educated and all the information available to you to know about the rebates, know about the incentives, and then help you, if the financing is an option for you, to help you through that process, that whole application process. As far as bringing jobs to the county, anybody in the room who's already used the program, some of the leading activities have to do with some of the things that I've listed here, as far as renewables, insulation, energy windows, HVAC, tankless water heaters, rainwater harvesting systems. It's kind of interesting as we see a sector of the building industry come online. There's definitely a spike in their activity and a continued participation in the program, but I think we have a lot of outreach to do to let people know that there really are these opportunities to provide a service to your customers and to provide them the financing in the current economic market for people. Yes?
You have PV up there. What about solar thermal?
Yes. It's not a complete list, absolutely. Solar thermal, pool systems. Yes?
You had mentioned the PG&E web-based energy audit. I've tried to use that, and you enter the information from your bill. It doesn't recognize me as existing. I wonder if anybody else has used it.
I have not gotten that feedback about the PG&E site, so I'd be happy to pass that on or call there as a property owner.
Right.
Yeah. Yes.
I used it. It was fine.
Yeah. A high traffic day. If they don't know you're using their electricity, you know, I don't know how that could work for you or not. But if the bills are coming in, I guess you want to be able to use that audit tool for sure. On the websites that we have, and I'll show you the link to that in a little bit. There's definitely a comprehensive list of what we do offer right now. We have different categories where we try to organize the information based on people's interest, need, and industry. Water conservation, energy efficiency, solar, and then there's this custom track. And I really want to make sure that people are aware that just because something isn't on our website doesn't mean it isn't something we should consider. If you've got a new technique or a new technology that you think should be included in our eligible list of improvements, we are so totally open to that. It's our hope just globally that people keep coming up with new ideas and new opportunities. So we don't want to be restrictive as much as we want to be open to those ideas. The burden of proof, however, will fall on the contractor to give us